Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2012 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number Z6476A. 86,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, Mocha Steel Metallic in color. The Equinox is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with the owner's manual. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 80% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.